Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2004 Ford Econoline E450 Super Duty van with a work body. This thing has 127,000 miles on it. It has been used. It's a used truck. It's been used for work, but it is in pretty good shape. It's a solid work body. The locks on all of these cabinets work. We got some new tires on here. Thing runs awesome. Got ice cold AC in here. Thing is crazy cold. Works great. New stereo system with a backup camera. Thing's ready to go. 127,632 miles. Give us a call at Buy Your Ride at 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244.